Hi, welcome to my channel Brighter Kids. Today we are going to discuss about our topic factors. In this previous video, we discussed about playing with numbers, that means divisibility rules. Today we are going to discuss about factors. I will explain about factors. Let's take one example. That means if somebody for example, Devi or someone have 6 chocolates. 6 chocolates. She wants to arrange them 6 chocolates in columns in such a way that each column has the same number of coins. Each column has same number of coins. Column means vertical lines. Rows means horizontal. Each column has same number of coins. She arranges them in many ways using all the coins. Okay, let me explain. Suppose we take for case 1. In this case 1, she take only one coin in this column. In second column only one coin. 1, 1, 1, 1, 6 coins. That means this is the one way she has to arrange 6 coins in each column. That means same number of coins, only one coin, same number. And we have to arrange 6 chocolates. We have to arrange chocolates or coins, anything. I am going to explain about factors, why we want to take factors. That's why I am going to take one example, chocolates or coins, anything. We have to take 6 chocolates or coins. We have to arrange this many ways, many possible ways. This is one possible way. Second way is, first we have to arrange 2 chocolates in one column, another 2 chocolates in second column. Out of 6 we have to complete 4 coins, 4 chocolates. In the third column we have to take 2 chocolates, finish 6 chocolates. This is the second case. This is the one way. That means each column, 3 columns, 2 chocolates. Here 6 columns, 1 chocolate. Tell me, is there any possible case? Is there any possible case? Think. Yes, we have to take 2 columns. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 chocolates. And here 1, 2, 3. 3 chocolates. That means 2 columns, 3 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chocolates. Is there any other possible case? Think. We have 6 chocolates. Each column has number of same chocolates. We have to arrange each column same number of chocolates. Okay, let me try fourth possible case. We have to take 1 column and 6 chocolates. 1 column, 6 chocolates. That means 6 columns, only 1 column into 6 chocolates, that is 6. Is there any other possible arrangements using all the 6 chocolates? No. From these arrangements, what we have to observe? We observe 6 can be written as product of 2 numbers in different ways. Product of 2 numbers in different ways. That is what we have to write here. We take 3 columns, 2 chocolates. And other possible case, what we have to took here? 2 columns and 3 chocolates. And next case, 6 columns, 1 chocolate. In other case, 1 column, 6 chocolates. That is, from 6 equal to 3 into 2 or 2 into 3, it can be said that 2 and 3 are exactly divide 6. That means 2 and 3 are exactly divide 6. So 2 and 3 are called factors of 6. 2 and 3 are factors of 6. We have to set like this. 2 and 3 are factors of 6. And next different ways. Other product is 6 into 1. 6 columns, 1 chocolate. And other is 1 column, 6 chocolates. 6 and 1 are also factors of 6. Here, what are the factors? 1. Here 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the only factors of 6 are the only factors of 6. That means what is a factor? A number which divides the other number exactly is a factor of that other number. What is factor? What is factor? A number which divides other number exactly is called factor of that number. A number which divides the other number exactly is called factor of the number. In other words, what we have to say? Every number is completely divisible by its factors. Every number is completely divisible by its factor. That means here 1, 2, 3 and 6 are all factors of 6. Are all factors of 6. Similarly 1 and 19 are factors of 19. Number 5 is a factor of 16? No, number 5 is not a factor of 16. Number 5 is a factor of 15, like this. I will use one table. Please note the table. Here number and here factors. How we have to do factors? I explained you clearly. That means we have to take 12. We have to take here multiples. 1 12s are 12. And next 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. And 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 1s are 12. Is there any other factor? Is there any other multiple? No. So 12 factors. What are the 12 factors? 1, 2, 6, 4, 3 and 12 are the factors. Let me take another number 18. That means 1 18s 18. 2 9s 18. 3 6 18. So 3 is the factor and 6 is the factor. Multiples are the factors. And 18 ones are 18. So these are the factors. From the above table we can notice that what we have noticed here from the above table, what we have noticed, 1 is a factor of every number. What we have noticed, 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Here 1 came. Here 1 came. That's why 1 is the factor of every number. And is the smallest of all factors. And is the smallest of all other factors. Here this is 1 is the smallest. You have noticed or not? Here 1 is the smallest. So 1 is a factor of every number and the smallest of all factors. What is smallest of all factors? And the one what we have noticed here, every number is a factor of itself. Here 12. Factor is also a 12. Every number, if you want to take 19, here also came 19 factor. Every number is a factor of, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. And greatest of its factors. And greatest of its factors. It is the greatest one. 1 is the smallest and itself is the greatest of its factors. Is another any rule you have noticed here? Yes, every factor is less than or equal to that number. Here 12. These all numbers factors are less than only 12 and equal to that of number. Here 12 is equal and these numbers are less than. Not greater number is greater than 12. So factors came only less than and equal. Not greater. Greater number came for factors. If we take 15, above 15 did not come in factors. Here 5, 3, 15, 1 like this came, but it didn't came 20, 25 like this in factors. Number of factors of a given number are countable. It did not in factors, they came only countable. We have to count that numbers only come, but they are not come infinity numbers. 12 we have any infinity numbers for 18 or 20 or 25. What number? Any number. They are that number factors are only countable. That number factors are only countable. This is the topic about factors. What is a factor? A number which divides the other number exactly. It is divided exactly. That means 15 divide 5 exactly. 5 3 is 15. That means 3 is the factor. 5 is the factor. 1 15 is the 15. That means 1 is the factor. 15 divided by 15. That means 1. 15 is the factor. Here we have to know factors like this. The number divides other number exactly. We have to note this point very clearly. Every number divides other number exactly. That is the factor. We have to clearly note this point. Every number divides other numbers exactly is called factor. We have to clearly note this point, and we didn't remember about factors. This is the topic of our factors. In the next topic we discuss prime and composite numbers, rational numbers, relative primes, twin primes, common factors, primes, least common factors, highest common factors, all these. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.